Everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing a new cube. This is a 3x3. It is a Guanlong by YJ, and let's open it. And I'm not showing you this side because it has my address on it. So wow, this cube's hard to open. I'm just really bad at it. Oh, here we go. So excited. So excited. So excited. So excited. Here is the Guanlong. Dun dun dun. So here is all the here's a pamphlet. It says things. Let's open it. I have seen unboxings of this, so if I'm correct, yes, I am correct. You can see it's got all the POL, OOLs, all those things. So all the POL and OOLs. So this pamphlet is. Oh, I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep this. I've seen most people and they don't keep it. Well, I'm going to keep it because I'm still learning how to solve it. How to solve a 3x3. So this should be good. So enough of all that. Let's get the cube out. Here it is. Oh, you're like, holy macaroni. This turns so smoothly. Very, very nice cube. And the color combinations. Shh. So in the damn it. Okay, I solved it from the checkerboard pattern, and I've been playing around with it for a bit, and I think it's a really nice starter speed cube, and it's really cheap. The price is around $5 or cheaper, so it's a very nice cube. And if you want it, you can get it from cubicle.us, or you can get how I got it from eBay. But yeah, I will have to end this video right now because I'm gonna go have some practice solves with it and see how it goes. So hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.